Hey guys, it's iPod Touch Girl 22 here with a review from Tmart.com. Be sure to check out their website. A link for them will be down in the description. And they sent out a mini Bluetooth keyboard, and it works with the iPads, iPhones, and all the iPods. So it came with the Bluetooth keyboard, very small, fits in the palm of your hand. It's about the size of the iPod, like exactly. And a case for it. And just pull on the little strap and it'll come out. And a portable smartphone holder with a clip on the back that rises up. Great stand for your device. And then a USB cable. To connect your keyboard, you slide the switch on the back to on. Go to settings, Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is on. And we'll let it discover. Oh yeah, click the button. It has a button in the right corner. Hold it down for 3 seconds. And we'll wait for it to discover it on my iPod. Oh, well, it already discovered. Okay. Connect with it, and it'll ask for you to, it'll ask for you for the first time connecting to enter a PIN number. And so what you'll just do is just type it on the numbers up here and then click the enter button. And then it works as a keyboard for your device. So we'll go to notes, new note, and you can type on it. Wow, that does not focus. Okay, well anyways, it lets you type on it. I'm not typing any words right now, but it works really well, and yeah. Okay, so if you're interested in this product, it retails on their site for $18.56, and their website is tmart.com, link in the description, and they have a whole lot of other cool things on their website for Apple stuff, like cases, electronics, other MP3s, and laptops. And just check out the site, it has a lot of cool stuff on it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Follow me on Tumblr, link for that in the description, and peace out.